Welcome to Wazir Begum Bicycles, your one-stop shop for your electric ride. Whether you're starting your cycling journey or you're a seasoned rider, we've got something for everyone. We proudly offer a high-quality scooters, fun and safe kids bicycle, and durable mountain bikes for adventures. At Wazir Begum Bicycles, we are not just selling. It's about supporting your journey in every step of the way. Visit us at Eiffel Accommodation 3, shop number 19. What are you waiting for?